for today's lesson, i-discuss natin how to graph a system of linear equation in two variables. So in this lesson, this is connected sa ating first video or previous video which is graphing linear equation. So ito yon. Kung napanood nyo na yung video na to, mas madali ang pag-graph natin since same lang ang kanyang process. This time, meron lang tayong dalawang given equation. Now, for this lesson, I suggest na since mag-graph lang naman tayo, ang gamitin nyo na lang na method is yung graphing linear equation using the slope and its intercept. Kasi diretso na tayo sa pag-graph, especially if the given is written in slope-intercept form. So let us have given number 1. Now, in graphing system of linear equation, ang gagawin lang natin is to graph the given one by one. Let's say we have given number 1. I-graph muna natin itong y is equal to negative 2x plus 2. And sa ating lesson, paano ba mag-graph kapag ginamit natin ang slope and its intercept? So, kunin lang natin yung kanyang m. So, for equation 1, ang ating m is negative 2 and yung ating b is positive 2. So, ibig sabihin, ang i-graph natin na point ay 0, 2. So, plot na natin yan. We have positive 2. So, ibig sabihin, sa y-axis, naglalay ang ating intercept. Positive 2. And then, from this point, i-graph natin yung kanyang, or bilang tayo ng negative 2 over 1 or yung slope. So, bilang tayo 2 units downward. So, we have 1, 2. Then, 1 unit to the right. Ibig sabihin, the exact location of the second point is here. Then, after natin siyang i-plot, i-connect lang natin yung 2 points using line. Okay, so we have this line. Yan. So, sorry, hindi masyadong tumama. But, take note that if you're going to connect the 2 points, you're always forming a straight line since linear equation ang pinag-uusapan natin. Okay? For second equation, i-graph na natin using the slope and its intercept. So, sa equation 2 naman, ang ating m ay the same. We have negative 2 and ang ating b ay negative 2 din. Ibig sabihin, yung coordinates na gagamitin natin ay 0, negative 2. Okay, plot na natin siya sa Cartesian coordinate plane. Negative 2 is located in this point or located siya sa baba ng origin. Okay, next is our rise over run. Since siya ay negative 2, lalagyan din natin siya ng denominator na 1. So, meaning, if we're going to count, from this point, bilang tayo ng 2 units downward, 1, 2. So, ilagay natin 1, 2. Then, 1 unit to the right. So, ito yon. 1 unit to the right or this point. Then, ganun din, connect the 2 points using a line. Okay, so if we're going to connect the 2 points, ito ang kanyang magiging itsura. Okay, now, yan na yung graph ng system of linear equation sa ating number 1. Okay, let us have example number 2. In example number 2, siya ay nakasulat in standard form or ax plus by equals c. So, kung gusto nyo pa rin gamitin yung ginamit natin dito kaninang method ng pag-graph, pwede nyo naman siyang i-transform in slope-intercept form. So, transforming that in slope-intercept form, ito yung method. So, makikita nyo, ang kinalabasan ng ating equation 1 ay naging y is equal to negative 4x plus 2. So, in-apply lang natin yung addition property of equality. Okay, next. What about for equation number 2? So, equation 2, transform ulit natin siya into slope-intercept form. Yan. So, gumamit ulit tayo ng addition property of equality. So, inad natin ang kanyang additive inverse both sides. Kaya, ang kinalabasan, we have y is equal to x minus 3. Okay, next. Now, nakuha na natin yung equation 1 and 2 na nakasulat in slope-intercept form. So, isulat na natin siya ngayon or i-graph na natin siya ngayon one by one. So, for number 1 or equation 1, our m is negative 4 and our b is positive 2. Plot na natin. So, we have positive 2. That is located on the upper part of the origin. So, positive 2 is located 2 units upward. Next is our slope. So, since that is negative 4, we have over 1 or we have 1 as its denominator. So, isulat lang natin siya ulit. Okay, para sa ating slope na negative 4, so nilagyan natin siya ng over 1, automatic yan. If we're going to count, or yung rise over run natin, from this point, ibig sabihin, 4 units downward. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, 1 unit to the right, dahil positive. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung eksaktong location ng ating second point. After that, pwede na nating i-connect yung 2 points using a line. So, ang ating equation 1 ay ito ang graph. Okay? Next. So, i-plot naman natin ngayon yung equation 2. In equation 2, we have m. So, since wala siyang number, ibig sabihin, ang ating slope ay 1 over 1. Kasi automatic na meron tayong 1 beside x. And our b is negative 3. Now, para sa ating pangalawang equation, we will plot first the y-intercept, which is negative 3. Okay, now, since ang ating slope ay 1 over 1 or positive 1 over 1, ibig sabihin, from this point, which is negative 3, aakyat lang tayo ng 1 unit, and to the right, mag-move tayo ng 1 unit. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung exact location ng second point. So, ulitin ko, from negative 3, 1 unit rise, then 1 unit to the right. So, ito yung ating exact location. Kung napapansin nyo, ang ating second point ay same sa position ng second point nung equation 1. Let us have the last example. Example number 3. The given is written in standard form. Ibig sabihin, Para mas mabilis natin siyang i-graph, pwede ulit natin siyang i-transform in slope-intercept form. So, ito yung process na ginawa natin in transforming the equation 1 in slope-intercept. So, kung mapapansin nyo, we have negative 2y is equal to negative x minus 2. Then, dahil may coefficient pa siya na negative 2, dinivide lang natin siya both sides of the equation by negative 2 para makancel. Then, ang naging sagot natin ay y is equal to, so for equation 1, we have y is equal to x over 2 plus 1. Okay, so yan yung ating ginawang process. Next, para naman sa ating equation 2, we have 4x minus 8y equals negative 8. So we use addition property of equality para matanggal natin dun yung 4x. Minus natin siya both sides by 4x. So ang 4x minus 4x ay na-cancel. So ang natira ay negative 8y. Then, sa kabila, we have negative 4x minus 8 since hindi na siya pwedeng i-combine. Then, since may negative 8 ang ating y, dinivide natin siya both sides by 8. So, we have y is equal to negative 4 over negative 8. Pwede natin siyang i-simplify as 1/2. And that is positive since negative divided by negative is positive. So, ang naging sagot na lang natin ay x over 2. So, all in all, ang ating naging equation ay y is equal to x over 2 plus 1. So, kung mapapansin, pareho lang siya ng given. Pero, syempre, ipa-plot pa rin natin siya 1 by 1. Okay? So, unahin natin yung equation 1. Ang ating m ay 1/2. Then, ang ating b ay positive 1. We're going to plot. Unahin natin yung positive 1. So, we have this point. Since positive yung ating y. And then, we have 1 unit upward. Or from this point, mag-rise daw tayo ng 1 unit. Then, positive 2. So, papunta sa right, 2 units. 1, 2. So, ito ngayon yung ating second point. Then, connect. Connect 2 points or connect the 2 points using a line. Ito ngayon yung itsura ng graph ng equation 1. Now, observe that since pareho ang equation 1 and equation 2, kahit ulitin natin yung process, we have m is 1/2, b is 1. Ibig sabihin, pag ginrap natin siya, uunahin natin yung 1 or positive 1. So, dito pa rin yon. Next, bibilang ulit tayo ng 1 unit upward and 2 units to the right. So, dito pa din yung ating another point. Then, pag kinonect natin using a line, ibig sabihin, meron ng line or 2 lines na nandito. Okay? So, yan yung graph ng given in number 3. So, in graphing linear equation, tandaan, you may use the 3 methods na pinag-aralan natin last time. So, ulitin ko, ito yung mga lesson na yon. We can graph the linear equation using only its slope and the y-intercept. Ayan yung ginawa natin ngayon or ginamit. But, you can also use graphing linear equation using x and y-intercept. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, ito yung video na yon. Then, we may also use any 2 points or yung tinatawag natin na table of values. So, eto naman yung video natin para dun sa lesson na yon. So, any method can be used in graphing linear equation. Basta maging tama lang ang ating procedure ng pag-graph.